Hi, I'm Barry Feynman, president of Barry's Restore It All products. Extremely happy to bring to you our newest family member, Stainless Rust Medic, for caring and restoring of all those stainless steel surfaces that have gone to rust or discoloration, namely in your barbecue, your handrails, your architectural surfaces, and outdoor kitchen accessories. Let's look at the contents of our kit. In this box, you're going to find step 1 cleaner. You're going to find a step 2 nano coating. And also you're going to find a small bottle of our stainless NanoShield, which is a bonus value, and you're going to be able to purchase this ongoing for maintenancing of your surfaces. We have an applicator pad for the cleaner. We have a nano sponge for your nanotechnology coatings. We have a microfiber towel, and of course, full instructional sheet. All right, the first thing we want to do is we want to grab our cleaner out of our box and recognize that it has a liner in the cap. So let's remove this liner first, put the cap back on. We take our pad and we're going to go ahead and apply the cream to the pad, just like this. I've identified this area that we're going to do for the video, so we put it on here, and it's always a good habit to go in the grain direction. The chemical is breaking through the rust. Keep in mind, this rust and heat scorch has been on here for a long time. So this is the buildup coming off. We take our microfiber towel, and we've broken through considerably. All right, now that we've enhanced and beautified this piece of metal and removed all the rust and oxidation and heat scorch, let's protect it. So grab your number 2, the nano coating. This product is easily applied. We remove the cap first. We're going to go ahead and take our applicator pad, and we're going to go ahead and spray 5 or 6 sprays to the surface. Put it down. Then we're going to take it over the surface. You can have the choice of going in the grain direction, or when this is thoroughly full and cleaned, you can go ahead and just wipe it across. So I'm just focusing on this space right here. 2 applications is all you need. This will dry and set up to a nice hard shell. In your kit, you have a 2-ounce bonus bottle of our stainless NanoShield. This is used on a monthly basis, applied the same way as our nano coating, and apply it to our microfiber sponge, several passes, and wipe it over your surface. That'll maintain it indefinitely. Now let's get grilling.